I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning, there ain't no point in resisting.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Cristy Ren.
Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit if I play it.
Cristy is an Instagram model and TikTok star, known for sharing fabulous bikini and swimwear photos.
No shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe.
Cristy was born on March 2nd, 1997, in Russia. She's 26 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Pisces.
Best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
She is about 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighs around 55 kilograms. Her estimated body measurements are 36, 24, 36 inches.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated.
Cristy has collaborated with renowned brands and is famous for her incredible body.
They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall.
So, what are your thoughts on Cristy? Isn't she absolutely amazing?
When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
Cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now. Feeling in command now. They're looking